Teachers and Medical Officers Association Tamoa has condemned in the strongest terms the violent assault and false allegations against a senior consultant and most sincere duty-abiding consultant at Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS. Expressing deep sympathy over the incident, the association has demanded immediate action against the perpetrators. In protest, the association has ordered shutdown of all RIMS services including OPD, emergency, routine OT and PME until a safe working environment is restored and the culprits are brought to justice. However, patients already admitted will continue to receive care. The association has also called on RIMS authorities to file an FIR, ensure safety for healthcare workers, issue a formal statement condemning the incident, clarify misinformation circulating on social media, and investigate security lapses. The association emphasized that normal operations at RIMS will resume only when the working environment becomes safe and conducive.